Good morning folks, and welcome to Blackpool SEAT. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site. Slightly miserable day, but it's not raining at the moment. As you can see, plenty of stock on the forecourt for you to come and have a look at, should you choose to. So it's just in the background there, next door to our partners at Blackpool Automart, and then next door to them we've got the Honda Superbike Centre. Over the road, our flagship dealership with Honda, and then right over in the corner, all our service departments, engineers, technicians, valeting teams, all on site and in-house. And today we've got the 2017 SEAT Alhambra. It's a TDI Ecomotive, and it's the Xcellence edition. It's a 5-door MPV, 2-litre diesel, 6-speed manual. Comes in Atlantic blue. You've also got the panoramic roof, which is a full panoramic and an electric tilt and slide. "17-inch silver alloys, slightly tinted windows at the back, chrome roof rails and detailing around the windows. The two side passenger doors are power sliding doors, and you've got a power tailgate as well. And on this particular model, you do have a reversing camera, parking sensors and sports suspension, as well as sat-nav and cruise control. And just to let you know, when you do buy a car from us, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you'll be covered by our benefits scheme, which include 9 months minimum MOT and service, 2 years warranty, 2 years MOT insurance, and 2 years AA gold standard breakdown cover. And you also get the 142-point multi-check as well. So for example, if any of the tyres are below the 3mm depth, they'll get swapped out and changed prior to sale. Just have a look at some of the details. So with this being the Alhambra, it is the 7-seater. You get your 2 seats that are laid down just there at the moment. You take your canopy back. So pull that flap over, and then just pull that back, as you can see, and it folds up, and then you just pull your front seat up. And that gives you your 7 seats should you choose to utilise them. And your back bench row seats also collapse as well, so you can get the full length of the complete and utter back laid down. So you pull that lever. So again, you can do that on all 3 of your seats, and your back is completely open. Or again, you can have it so the seats are all up, so you can take advantage of the 7 seats. So as you can see, plenty of room, drop down table, extra blinds on the windows. There's your automatic button for your side doors. Climate control in the back for your passengers. So you push that there, your door shuts. Then going up to the front, again it's leather interior all the way through, including your 2 fold-away seats as well at the back. Memory settings and electric seating for your driver, and you've also got electric seating for your passenger. So just having a look inside. So you've got your 6-speed gearbox, electric parking brake, your buttons for your side doors and your boot, climate control and aircon, your touchscreen centre console, so your full link is for your Apple CarPlay. Should you choose to have that operational, you got your sat nav, your radio, car settings. You got extra storage at the front. You look onto the that opens your blind. And then twist action opens the sunroof. You get your driver's cockpit, standard layout really. Left hand wand is your headlights and your indicators, sorry, your beam and your indicators. Left on the steering wheel is your hands-free and audio, volume, cruise control just underneath, windscreen wipers and washers, and then using your scroller wheel and your direction pad you can change the outlay of what you want your cockpit to show, depending on how you want it laid out. It's entirely up to you. Then you got your headlights and auto function, wing mirrors, windows, central locking. As you can see, it is a very nice car, well laid out, everything's really easy to use, and it's an excellent drive, very comfortable. So if you've got any questions about this particular vehicle, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email or give us a call, or better still, pop down and see us. We'll give you the keys, you can take it for a test drive, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.